The separation of friends. In ancient times, there was a kingdom named Mahilaropium in South India which was ruled by a king named Amrasakti. All his 3 princes were witless, and they became a matter of continued worry for him. On realization that his sons were lazy and had no interest in gaining knowledge, he summoned his ministers and said, "You know I am not happy with my sons. According to men of learning, an unborn son and a stillborn son are better than a son who is a dimwit. What good is a barren cow? A son who is stupid will bring dishonor to his father. How can I make them fit to be my successors? I turn to you for advice." One of the ministers suggested the name of Vishnu Sharman, a great scholar enjoying the respect of hundreds of his disciples. He is the most competent person to tutor your children. Entrust them to his care, and very soon you will see the change. The king summoned Vishnu Sharman and pleaded with him, "O venerable scholar, take pity on me and please train my sons into great scholars, and I will make you the lord of 100 villages." Vishnu Sharman said, "O king, listen to my pledge. 100 villages do not tempt me to vain learning. Count 6 months from today. If I do not make your children great scholars, you can ask me to change my name." The king immediately called his sons and handed them to the care of the learned man. Sharman took them to his monastery where he started teaching them the 5 strategies, panchtantra. Keeping his word, he finished the task the king entrusted him in 6 months. Since then, panchtantra became popular all over the world as children's guide in solving problems of life. Like and subscribe.